Hey everyone, this is Michael Sigenthaler with this next tutorial of Skits. Here I'm taking my outlines I made with the lasso tool, which I saved as paths, then filling them with roughly the color I want them to be at the end. Once that's done, I'll put them under my drawing layer. The drawing layer is set to multiply. That way, I can see the color under the drawing. There is literally a plethora of ways to color line work in Photoshop. What we'll be doing for this drawing is starting with textures. My background is traditional art. My absolute favorite thing to do is working with mixed media to create different textures. I could go online and download some textures. The reason I scan in my own textures is so that it looks completely like my own work. Now we have a starting point that feels like it's been put on something physical, in the real world. I want it to look like I drew and colored it on a piece of old dirty paper. Using this method is advantageous to me. As we'll see in later videos, some of my painting techniques work well with this process. Now that we have our textures, we can play around with them, using the vast array of filters until we get a visual that appeals to us. And as always, imagination is the key. Thanks for watching. The next part of this tutorial is coming up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that notification bell, and share our videos. Also check out Come Get Some, a new show hosted by Black Star. She's the host of the universe.